Global Citizen and the Ad Council are partnering up with corporate partners, global leaders, and medical professionals and musicians to inspire vaccine confidence around the world. As Selena Gomez hosts Vax Live, the concert to reunite the world.
And joining us live this morning is American Nurses Association President Dr. Ernest Grant. Good to see you, and thanks a lot for being with us.
Good morning, and thank you for having me.
Of course. We want to make it clear that you weren't involved in the concert, but you're here to help answer some questions for those still on the fence about getting a shot. So the first question, are the vaccines safe and effective?
Yes, the vaccines are safe and effective. Medical experts as well as the FDA have done thorough investigation of the vaccines through clinical trials and other processes, and they have been approved for emergency use authorization.
And Dr. Grant, what are some of the side effects of the vaccine? Now, I've been vaccinated and I didn't feel good for a few days, but of course it's still worse to get COVID. Can we talk about that?
Yes, some of the common side effects that are listed are, a headache, maybe fatigue, chills, fever, and usually these will, abate within about 48 hours or so. I know when I had my vaccine, even though I had the fatigue and the chills, I was still able to continue to work, during that process.
All right, Doc, who should get vaccinated and why do we need to get vaccinated?
Well, right now, everyone should get vaccinated. Currently, we're using age 16 and older, but I think perhaps next week we'll see that, probably 12 years old, starting at 12 years of age. But it's important that everyone get vaccinated, not only to protect yourself, but also to protect those around you and those that you love. And this will also give us an opportunity to help suppress the virus so that it doesn't continue to spread.
And Dr. Grant, what is your message to those who are hesitant? Because there is a lot of misinformation out there. A lot of children are trying to get their parents and grandparents vaccinated, but they're scared to do it. What is the best advice?
Yeah, especially in the Black and brown communities.
Absolutely. The best advice is to get your answers to your questions from people that you trust, your doctor, your nurse, or someone that perhaps who has been vaccinated. Let them talk about their experience. And you can also go to getvaccineanswers.org, which is a website put up by the Ad Council and other healthcare organizations to answer those questions that people may have also.
All right, Dr. Grant, you are one sharply dressed brother. How you gonna come on my show and outdress me this morning? What's up with that, man? You are clean.
I have a meeting after this.
Oh, okay, that's why.
He got a meeting, Suzanne. He knew he was gonna be on TV this morning. All right, Dr. Grant, thank you so much. And you're always welcome back. We appreciate it. Glad to have you on. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Watch Vax Live, the concert to reunite the world, tomorrow night at 8, right here on CBS2. Maybe watch with your parents who might be a little nervous. Jennifer Lopez, the Foo Fighters, her, and J Balvin are among the performers. President Biden and First Lady Jill Biden, Prince Harry, Chrissy Teigen, and many others are making special appearances.
That brother's clean, talking about, oh, I got a meeting later.